See, in this video lesson, let us understand the basics of the quotient rule of differentiation. See, quotient rule is one of the important rules of differentiation. Whenever the given function is in the form of a quotient, that is y is equal to p of x divided by q of x. P of x is the numerator, q of x is the denominator, and p of x divided by q of x forms a quotient, then we have to use quotient rule for differentiation. Now let me just explain what is quotient rule and how this is used and how to remember this. Y is equal to u by v. U is the numerator, v is the denominator, and both u and v are functions of x. This is another condition to use quotient rule. So y is equal to f of x and v is equal to g of x. You see x presence in both u and v. Therefore, we call it as both u and v are functions of x. Now, in such a situation, now to use quotient rule, the simple way to remember quotient rule is dy by dx, that is differentiating with respect to x. If you differentiate y with respect to x, you get dy by dx. Now, I'll tell you how to remember the quotient rule because many students find it difficult to remember the quotient rule itself. It's very simple. You write dy by dx on the left hand side and put a big line there, a horizontal line. Now, this is numerator and v is denominator. U is numerator, v is denominator. Now I'm just giving you a simplified method to remember quotient rule. Put a big line and immediately write denominator square in the denominator portion and write denominator here in the numerator place into differential coefficient of numerator. See, once you write denominator, you're left only with numerator. So d by dx of numerator comes after denominator. Now there is a minus sign. Now interchange both these, numerator into differential coefficient of denominator. So what will happen if I write in terms of u and v? Dy by dx is equal to, I put a big line there, a horizontal line. I begin with the denominator square. And what is denominator square? It is v square into, it's not into, now I come to the numerator portion. So what is denominator here? That is v into d by dx of numerator, that is u. Now there is a minus sign. Numerator, what is numerator? U into d by dx of denominator, that is v. Now this is the final formula of quotient rule. Whenever you want to differentiate a function which is of the form y is equal to p of x divided by q of x and q of x not equal to 0, then we use quotient rule, and p of x is regarded as numerator, q of x is regarded as denominator. Observe that both numerator and denominator are functions of x. That's a primary condition to use quotient rule. Now how the quotient rule takes place in the form of statement dy by dx is equal to denominator square, denominator into differential coefficient of numerator minus numerator into differential coefficient of denominator. Or in terms of u and v, dy by dx is, now in the denominator we have used v square, v into d by dx of u, that is du by dx minus u into dv by dx. This is the quotient rule. In the next video, let's see how to use quotient rule for some specific functions.